Hello everyone and welcome to Van Tech Corner. In this video, let's take a look at the 2.5 gigabit media converter from JUPLINK. So this is how it looks like. So we have a cartoon box. It is very solid right here. At the back we have some information of the manufacturer as well as some of the certificates like FCC, CE, ROSH, but I'm not sure if they really have it. Alright, so inside we have some kind of foam, and we have the 2.5G media converter, 101 2.5 gigabit base TX to 2.5 base TX bridge converter. Alright, so I will put it aside. So I just put everything aside, and now let's take a close look. The adapter can be powered by a 12 volt DC power supply. It had a metal case. On this side we have the XLP case or XLP port, and this one supports both the 1.25G XLP module as well as the 2.5G XLP module. We have the mode button right here and we can change it. So here we have some LED indicator like up to OK, 1 gig or 100 and 2.5. And here is the RJ45 port in 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. This is an overview of the adapter, and now I will connect it and let's see how it works. Alright, so in order to use this one, first of all, you need to have XLP module. It can be either 1 gig like this one or 2.5. So this is an AON XLP module, which is active fiber. However, you can also use this one with a GPON network. For example, the GPON's XLP module can be connected right here. Alright, so it will be connected like this. And then for this port, it can be connected to your 2.5 Ethernet port or 1 gig Ethernet port. So for example, I have the NanoPi R6S right here. This one had a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. So by using this adapter, I can utilize the higher bandwidth from my internet service provider. Alright, so it will be connected like this. So yep, this one go to the one port. Alright, and lastly, in order for it to work, we will need to connect the 12 volt power supply to this one. Very good, we can see some insights on the adapter already. We have the optic link, okay, and then we have the LED light up on the 2.5G, just right here. And if I press the mode, let's see, I can change it to 1 gig, alright, or 100 Mbps. So we will need to manually change the mode by pressing this button, just right here. Alright, so let's give another try. And now it is 2.5. Alright, so on the R6S we can see that the Ethernet port is also up and running and everything is working as expected. So this will be an overview of the media converters and how you can use it. So usually the fiber cable from the internet service provider go to the GPON XLP module to this one, and after that it will be connected to your router right here. Alright, so now I'm going to disconnect the cable, remove everything, and I'm going to disassemble this one to see what do we have inside. Alright, we are ready. Let's take it out. Alright, so now let's take a closer look at the PCB. So we have a very simple design right here, the XLP cage, and after that we have the 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet port. It has a media controllers, I believe it is the GLGnet, just right here. And in the middle we have the Realtek chip, and let me take a look. It is A221B, alright, just right here. And in this corner I can see another chip, but it's too small, so maybe I will take the picture after this and show you. And something great about this media converter is that you will have the access to the UART of the XFP module. So right here we have Nokia and also Huawei. So let's say if you are using a Huawei's XFP module, you can connect your USB TTL adapter to this port and then access to the UART or the serial console of the device for advanced configuration or software installation or something like that. Alright, so far we have an overview of the 2.5 gigabit media converter from JUPLINK, and then I will test and share with you the performance of this device in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you.